Hey everybody, this is Sue Craig, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. And today we're going to make this gorgeous gold box. It's a great way to do a thank you for someone special. And most of the things in this project today will be retiring this year. That's pretty sad, because I love some of these stuff. Anyway, let's see what you need to make this cute project. You're going to need 3 of the gold pearls, the Forever Gold Specialty paper. You can pick whatever you want from that set. I happen to pick this shape. On the box I used a circle, but it doesn't matter. A 2.5-inch circle. This is in Spray. Seaside Spray. And then we're going to need 10 inches of Seaside Spray ribbon. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, the sparkle in it and the feel of it is just wonderful. If you don't have this, this is one that you'd really benefit from. Oh, just makes it's very easy to make bows as well. And you'll need a gold pizza box. These are retiring. And the lace embossing folder. Now you can use any embossing folder you want. This is also retiring, but I wanted to show you that on the white and the gold pizza boxes, you can put them through with an embossing folder. And I just put the box inside up to the edge here and put it through. So maybe you didn't know you could emboss these boxes, at least the lids. I suppose you could do the bottom as well. I didn't try that, but that's something for the future, I guess, except these are retiring. So let's get started making this very, very easy gift. So we're going to fold on all these lines here. When we do that, this little thing will pop out. Fold these in, fold the back here, and where it curves. And then you'll have 2 pieces here, one on each side, that will fold in. And of course, the edge of the box. So we fold these in, we fold these in. And this goes up. I'm sorry. You fold the sides in. This comes up. And you see these 2 tabs? Those are going to go right in and you'll hear them snap in place. Then these will stay on the outside. And this will go inside. And there's your box. So you start out with a beautiful box to begin with. Okay, let me show you again. These pieces are going to go inside. And this will tuck in as well. Next, what I did is I took my gold piece. Now, this is going to be covered with this, and you can see that 2 points stick out. You can leave them. Let's see if you can see that better. There you go. You can leave them, or you can trim them off. I'm going to see. And I'm going to put these pieces here on the side, or maybe the top. Yeah, I think I'll do the top, then they won't have any difficulty closing. Alright, let's put some glue on this. Again, I'm holding it so that I don't get glue all over. And I know the circle one works the best, but I ran out of those. Next, I'll put some glue on my circle, and I've already stamped that. And I think this is the perfect sentiment for this box. This is from the So Sentimental stamp set. I'm going to add the ribbon now. A lot of times, most often, when I use ribbon, I use my glue dots. I don't like to mess with glue with ribbons. I know some people do. And I'm going to put this up here on the side. And I can trim these if I want. And believe it or not, all we have left is to add our little pearls. And I like to add them around the sentiment if I can pick them up. If I can get them to stay. All right, there's one. I use the scissors because they seem to work well. The Take Your Pick tool works as well. And there you go. There's our project. I hope you like this and we'll give it a try. And thanks for watching.